This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com.
Oh, hey guys and girls, I'm Bet from I Seek Out the Truth. Welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repair. Can you dig it?
All right, yeah, check that out. All right, you want to showcase your channel? Be sure to click on the link in the description below. All right, guys and girls, today we got what am I missing something here? Can you dig it? That's right. Why couldn't you say that loud enough? Anyway, today we got a 1998 Nissan Maxima. The customer's complaint is that the engine's making noise. Now, it only makes noise when she cuts on the AC. The strange thing about this is in 2016, she had the AC compressor replaced, and she went online, bought a remanufactured one, had somebody put it in, her cousin, and 6 months later, six months later, it started making noise. So let's get right to it and check it out and see where this noise is coming from. We'll be right back. All right, guys, here we go. 3.0. What I'm gonna do is start the car up. Sylvia's out here recording. I'm gonna start the car up, and then I'm gonna cut the AC on to see if we hear the noise with it on and with it off. All right, let's start. You know, actually, if you didn't know better, you'd swear that was an engine knob. All right, so let me shut it back off, and then we're gonna jack the car up. Okay, what I'm gonna do is grab a jack and a jack stand, jack it up so we can see this from the bottom. Be right back. All right, guys, here we go. I got it jacked up. Got it up on the jack stand, and we're gonna go over here. And there's our compressor right there. Back here. Yeah, whoops. Looks like it's new. All right, let's turn it on. All right, turn it on. Wow. Turn it off. That's definitely the compressor making that noise. You know what's weird about this, guys, is from underneath it looks brand new, but you look at the top, it looks old. Let's go up to the top. Take a look at this. Now if you look at the compressor from up here, you look down there, that looks like it was never taken apart. But I mean, that dirt could be coming from, that's got to be coming from something, because underneath does look brand new. Let's get a better look at this. Seal right there. But underneath here, looks good. All right, I'll be right back. All right, there we go. Definitely the noise is definitely coming from the compressor. Now you might be wondering, why is the compressor making that noise? Notice how that noise sounds just like an engine knock. Engine, when it runs with no oil, it'll start knocking. This is the same thing. And I firmly believe that what happened was when the person put the compressor in there, they might have put oil in there, but not enough. You got to look at the specifications for the vehicle. Either they're going to be a sticker up under the hood, or you can go online to AutoZone.com or a lot of places, and they'll tell you how much oil to put in there, and especially what kind of oil to put in there. If you put the wrong kind of oil in there, you can also damage the compressor. It's like you taking a Mack truck that takes 1540 and you put in 5W20 in it. Same principle. It's going to start knocking. So what we're going to do, we're going to try to save this. And if your compressor is doing this, what you can do is drain the system out, add the right amount of oil in it, the proper oil, start it back up, and you have like a 75% chance of that noise going away. We definitely going to be trying that. All right, I'll be right back.
Okay, so today we had a 98 Nissan Maxima. Stop making me laugh. So he needs to go away. And we had the customer said it's making a loud noise whenever she turned the AC on. So we checked it out, and in this case it was the AC compressor. Timmy explained everything to you guys, so that could be an option. Even though it sounded like an engine knocking, it was not. So if you hear that type of noise, don't freak out. Just check all your options to see what it is. Alright, so if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.